Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the set of two accent chairs, leather-ish accent chairs that this brand sent to me for the video. It comes in a pack of two. Each one of these supports 300 pounds. So these are not super big chairs, I have to say, but the fact that they support 300 pounds and they're kind of like wide, I think that's a good thing. Let's talk about the assembly process. So this one right here, it comes with the manual instruction. Each one of these comes with the instruction manuals over here. And I have to say, I'm gonna be honest, I thought it's gonna be like a pain in the ass, but these ones actually were not. I think it took me probably like 15 minutes each one of this, probably between 10 to 15 minutes each one of this. So it wasn't hard at all. If you have power tools, it's gonna be even better, but they're super easy to assemble. I like some of the details that I'm gonna show you in a few seconds, but the best thing about this is how fluffy these are, kind of like the back support over here, the back pillow, how fluffy it is, how nice they look right here with the leather, but also how thick these ones are for supporting those 300 pounds. So let's take a closer look. So as I was telling you before, some of the things that I like about this one is the accent woods over here, like the wooden accents actually right here on the armrest, which they're kind of like stylish, I have to say. I do like the way that this support right here, the weight of kind of like supporting your back over here with a really nice kind of like elastic leather frame or something like that that will support your weight, but also is going to give you some movement when you're kind of like sitting right here and chilling and relaxing. This is not kind of like a super straight chair that's gonna give you I want to say like a 90 degrees posture. If you want to sit, if you want to lay back, and if you want to relax a little bit, you can do it. Again, the feel of this one, kind of like old school and vintage with the leather, the brown leather over here, looks really nice. And also the frame, I have to say that the metal frame is also kind of like stylish. Another thing that I like about this one is that the bottom part, it comes with kind of like, I want to say, the rubber on the bottom, so it won't damage your wooden floor, but they have a little bit of a golden accent, so that's another good thing. And you can unscrew and screw some of the legs in case that your floor is a little bit uneven or something like that. But yeah, one more time, super easy to assemble, 300 pounds each, and my cat is coming this way. So I like these chairs. I think they're super stylish and nice, and also kind of like it's gonna give you a really nice atmosphere on a social place or social conversational place for your living room or an accent corner as well. I like them. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.